Welcome back to our podcast, TechTalks. Today's episode is entitled AI Soon.
Hi, I'm Rivera. I'm an ID1 student from Gokong College of Engineering, and I'm currently taking up BS Computer Engineering.
And I am Victor Garcia, currently taking up AB Organizational Communication. I'm ID122. So, last episode, we talked about AI in context of universities and schools, and the history of AI and how it is a problem in the academe, on how they can utilize AI in terms of improving the quality of education they can provide to students, and apply AI to research and development. So, yung first na discuss namin for this part of the episode are solutions or suggestions to the problems mentioned in episode 2, and kung paano yung beneficial ang paggamit ng AI in the academe. So, yung naisip namin ni Paul is number 1, to have stricter implementations of rules and policies with using AI. As students, syempre naisip namin na mapapa-abuse talaga sa paggamit ng AI is kapag ginagamit ito sa mga exams, sa mga assignments, hindi na nalalaman ng teachers yon. So, dahil ganun, hindi na nagiging effective yung learning ng students. So, if we implement stricter policies with using AI, syempre, hindi na magagamit ng students ang AI for making assignments. At saka, if pwede, the teachers can do something to monitor yung activity ng students nila. They can learn rin how outputs can differ, how outputs can differ kapag ginawa siya ng AI sa ginawa ng students nila. And regarding sa knowledge ng teachers, it leads to our suggestion number 2, which is yung seminars on using artificial intelligence responsibly, not only for students. Pero to start, if we can have seminars for students on using AI, they can learn na it's not really effective, no? Kapag nagpapagrade na outputs tas pinapagawa mo lang sa AI, and make the students realize na nasasayang lang rin yung probably yung tuition nila or yung stay nila sa school if they keep on using AI in using it for their assignments and exams. As for the parents naman and the teachers, they can learn talaga yung ups and downs ng paggamit ng AI and how it can damage the operations ng isang academic institutions. So, yung seminars na to, pwedeng makatulong talaga to any human being under the academy, from the students, parents, and teachers. With the seminars, I think the teachers can also learn how AI can be used kapag nag-grade sila, pag nag-analyze ng statistics ng mga kinalabasan na scores ng mga students nila. So, ayun. Paul, ano pa yung iba nating suggestions and solutions to the problems of using AI in the academy?
Another solution is encouragement on using libraries as a learning resource. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng sinasabi ni AI is cited, or hindi mo alam kung tama ba yung sinasabi ni AI regarding the topic na yun. So, we can encourage students to use the libraries as well for their learning resource. And another possible suggestion dito with the use of AI is, di ba minsan, kunwari, during discussion, nafe-feel mo ba na parang hindi mo nag-gets yung sinasabi ni sir, pero nahiya ka magtanong, di ba? Feel ko, doon pwede nating magamit si AI, like especially during discussion, to help you mas maintindihan yung tinuturo. Kasi hindi naman may times talaga na parang pagod na talaga yung brain mo, tapos hindi mo makapture yung sinasabi ng prof mo. Maybe you can ask AI for help on trying to summarize or ibang creative way para makasunod ka dun sa lesson.
Ayun, I agree. And additional to what you said earlier, naisip ko rin pala na AI can also be very helpful, no? Kapag kailangan mo ng transcription ng mga videos or ng mga Zoom recordings, lalo na prominent na ngayon ng mga online classes. So, pwede rin talaga maging effective yung learning ng student kapag nagagamit ang AI, pag nagpapatranscribe ng mga kailangan nilang intindihan if they learn better through reading. But of course, you have to use it responsibly. So those are
Tama.
our suggestions and solutions to the problems mentioned in the previous episode. Ngayon, syempre, we're talking about AI in the academe, and students ang nagsasalita ngayon sa podcast na to. So I think it would be very important na i-discuss natin yung paggamit ng artificial intelligence and yung relevance nito sa kanya-kanya nating disciplines and courses dito sa members of the group and hosts ng TechTalks podcast. So let's start with Marinel. Paano ba nagagamit ang artificial intelligence sa course mo?
So I am currently taking up behavioral science, and in my course, we focused on a lot of research amongst communities. And with research playing a big factor sa field namin, AI is both a challenge and a very useful tool at the same time. It can be used to help sort data and analyze it, especially when we conduct experiments and qualitative and quantitative data, which can be beneficial for researchers to identify complex patterns and trends when you give it data. Although AI has tendency to plagiarize work, and we don't know where the sources of information come from when we use AI. So, and also when you give data to AI, we don't know what AI is going to do with the data. So there must be balance when using AI in a field that has a lot of research. So I think that's the main point of AI, especially in behavioral science.
Okay, thank you Marinel. So napaka-insightful pala ng paggamit ng artificial intelligence sa behavioral science. So what about sa field of psychology? Manuel?
Okay, hello. I study AB psychology, and under this field, siguro we can use AI through a cognitive and somewhat social development. By cognitive, I mean our process in thinking, the way we solve problems, the way we use our rationality, and social, meaning ayun nga, talking to others, socializing in that sense. We can use AI for cognitive development because number one, it's a very easy tool to use to easily access information. So whatever you need, almost everything, almost all the information that you want, you can get it by just searching and using AI like ChatGPT. And in the social context, surprisingly, AI is also helpful because if you get the chance to search in AI how to do certain things under social situations, it can actually give advice and well-researched advice, which although it does lack the main sources it uses, however, I tried checking it out. It is similar, if not, it is very accurate to what real researchers use. So, ayun. That's, I believe, what psychology students can do with the use of AI in education.
Yan, thank you Manuel. Grabe, ganun pala yun, no? So, what about you, Alethea? Sa field of marketing, paano nagagamit ang artificial intelligence?
Actually, on my end, in the field of marketing management, since I'm majoring in marketing management, artificial intelligence is widely being used. So, ginagamit talaga siya as a great tool sa amin in marketing since it gives us a faster process in terms of processing analytics and also initiating research in terms of looking or finding for marketing trends worldwide and in real time. So in marketing, it actually has both sides. It has an advantage and disadvantage. So in terms of benefits, we use AI as a tool again to automate marketing processes such as creatives through AI photo editing, and it even helps marketers generate new ideas using platforms like ChatGPT. Since marketing, we have a lot of campaigns to do. Minsan, yung mga marketers nagkakaroon na sila ng creative burnout. So if they need new ideas, they can easily ask it to a platform like ChatGPT. Kaso, the only problem or the disadvantage of AI is that since it makes marketing process easier, nagiging threat siya sa ibang marketing jobs. So for example, copywriters. So copywriters are an essential marketer in the industry, but with AI platforms like ChatGPT, it has the potential to generate writing in just seconds or minutes. So it poses a threat for all copywriters and their jobs.
Okay, thank you. So para sa akin naman, artificial intelligence can be incorporated in organizations. Actually, kahit dito pa nga lang mismo sa DLSU, it's an institution, it's an organization, and napapractice na kagad and na-encourage ang paggamit ng artificial intelligence. Pero naman sa ibang organizations na kailangan ng research and assistance sa strategies nila sa pag-operate ng organizations nila, artificial intelligence can really support at can really make it easier for them to deliver these kinds of requirements and documents to keep the processes of their organizations stable. So lastly, what about you, Pauls? Paano ma-apply ang artificial intelligence?
So, in context of engineering and technology, actually, so sobrang helpful ng AI kasi marami ng processes ngayon ino-automate ni AI to maximize efficiency and reduce the workload on employees. Some examples are sa manufacturing lines, may times na imbes na tao yung gumagawa, AI and robot na yung ginagawa for more safety and better quality of the product na rin.
Okay, thank you, Paul. So, grabe, very insightful ang discussions natin for the past 3 episodes about artificial intelligence. And I hope whoever's listening, makatulong ito sa inyo to understand more kung paano ba gamitin ng AI, kung ano yung limitations nito, and yung mga ethical considerations in using AI sa sarili niyong fields in the future. Katulad namin, since iba-iba kami ng courses. So I hope you guys learned a lot. This has been Tech Talks, the podcast, and I am Victor. With me, we have Paul, Manuel, Marinel, and Alethea, and we hope you learned a lot. So thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye, guys.